Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in this particular week as well as the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what you can see, the one main thing what you can see that it was in the range from 2009 you can see the trend was in this range. Okay, and now it has been more than 10 years. You can see that after making a high of around 6.526 and this particular high of twice, okay, and the range is in this particular range. So once this particular range has made high and went up to a level of 8.15, okay, after that it has made a swing. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I have already explained you that because these two levels are already being tested here, so this particular resistance has become weak. So that was a high probability that if the price have gone above a level of 6.35, we could have seen it could have gone above a level of 7.3 or it has touched. And if you have seen my previous video, I have already explained you that if it goes above a level of 6.5, we can see a level of 7.5 also and then 8 also, and it has already touched 8.15 and now we have seen a swing at this particular rate. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and a mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical and other commodities and natural gas is working. And if you wish, and a telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join there. I keep updating this about commodity and forex on this particular channel. See, now suppose if this particular range what is trading at around 7.311, suppose if this particular range sustain, what we can see, it can go further upside to a level of 7.519. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.677. okay, and if it goes further upside, then we can see it can move further upside to a level of 7.835. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 7.961. okay, once if it sustained above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 8.181, and this is the particular level which we have seen is not is tested here at this particular level. That means before 2009 this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high that if the price goes above a level of 8, then we can see it can move further upside. Now understand one thing, that this is the range where we have seen the price of for a longer time. Now suppose if the price now trading around 7.3019, so suppose if it sustain, so probability of touching 7.677 is high if this price level sustain, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 7.961. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.213, and this particular level is also being tested twice, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 8.371, and from there we can see a level of 8.591. okay, but suppose market is uncertain, we never know that the price can go upside or downside. What you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can go further low to a level of 6.952 if this particular level didn't sustain, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of 7.239. okay, if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 7.239, and from there if it goes below that level, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 7.078, and if it goes below that level, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of 6.731, and 6.731 is a strong support, keep this in mind. okay, so once this particular level goes downside, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 6.511. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 6.353. okay, so if it goes below that level also, then we can see yes, probability of touching a level of 5.5 is high. So once this particular comes in a range of 5.5, then we can see yes, it will move again in this particular range. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. okay, so understand one thing, this is the range which has not broken for so long. okay, so probability will be high. We can see a strong support coming at around 6.5 and at a level of 6.416. okay, 6.5.11 and 6.668, these are two resistance and support. Okay, and if it goes below this level, the next support we can see is coming at around 6.321, and if this particular level goes down, then we can see a next support coming at around 5.565, and from there we can see a level of 5 also. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand one thing: if you are trading is risky. Okay, so what you have to understand, you can attend my workshop where I teach where to enter, where to exit. Okay, because of which they lose their capital. See, suppose if you are trading with $10,000 on an average, if I'm telling you, most of what you should be doing is, if you take 5 trades, always try to take 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, so suppose if you lose even 5 times, you know your risk is $500. Okay, the thing is that suppose if you lose 5 times, the next day if you have lose $5,000 suppose, then your mind will go for recovering that amount the next day. But if you lose $500, you know that you can make it. If you are in profit, you can cover this particular range. If you make it even for twice you made profit, then you can recover this amount. So that is what psychology plays an important role in trading. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and you can attend my workshop. You can just mail me and we can work out on the trainings. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.